Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI and I'm here with an essential for your next wiring project. These are the Wirefy ring terminals. These are for 16 to 14 gauge wire, and this is a set of 130 pieces. And these have a 3/8 inch ring terminal on the end, and these things are really great. They're super simple to use. They make your projects really easy and really strong connections. So the way that it works is you simply strip your wire, you crimp this onto the end, and then you heat shrink. The heat also activates an adhesive, so it really gives you a super strong and very secure connection that is also waterproof and corrosion resistant. And it works really, really fast. Almost as soon as you put that heat on there, you see that it starts to shrink up, and you also see that color change, and you can see the adhesive start to get really soft, and you know that it is working. The eyelets are made from a pure tinned copper, so they are corrosion resistant, and also they have increased current flow, and they do not drop their voltage. So all in all, super happy with this. We've used these for several projects, currently using them on a truck wiring project, and really, really love them. They're so simple and get the job done quickly. So if you're looking for some ring terminals for your next project, definitely check out these from Wirefy, and that's my point of view.